Hey, what's up? NPS3D here and welcome back. So in today's tutorial, we're going to create something really cool. So in this tutorial, we will use a plugin called Trapcode Farm. You can download it from Redgiant, and here you can download. If you go to products, Trapcode Suite, and here you will. So this is Trapcode Farm 2. You can also use a free trial version. So it's $199. So you can create really cool art from this plugin. So and here you can download some OBJ models. I already downloaded. So I will put a link. I will put a link in description for these sites. And here is my YouTube channel. There are a lot of tutorials, tips, tricks, experiments, and also break down some project files. So please go on my YouTube channel and see. So here I downloaded some models from free3d.com. I think free3d.com. Yes, I'll put a link so you can go. So here is a dolphin. And if you are using Windows 10, here is a benefit for creators. You can directly see a OBJ in Windows 10 3D filter viewer. So here you can see our 3D fish import, and now you can rotate it. So you can just check your model here. Fine. And let's continue the tutorial, but first let's see what we are going to create today. So here is my final result. Alright, so let's start the tutorial. So let's first start the After Effects. So we are in After Effects and we opened our project. So just close all of these and start with me. But first, let's separate all of the in a new folder. Select all of these and put a new folder for this. Fine. And now close all of this. Fine. And just import your OBJ. So in this case, let's import dolphin, dragon, wolf, or deer. So let's import dolphin. Fine. So it's saying for use with Trapcode Farm. So disable this, and now let's create a new solid for this form. I'm using FL console. So here search form, or you can go effect and Trapcode Farm. So here we'll just change the base form from box grid to OBJ model, and now in OBJ setting we will change 3D model, pick dolphin. So here is our dolphin. So just increase the size. So in this case 1200, and 1200. Fine. Now create a new camera. 35 millimeter. Press C on your keyboard and rotate. Okay, it's fine. So looking good. And let's play with some settings in vertical or now. And here is a option called skip vertex. So if you don't need too much vertex, you can just increase the amount of this and it will decrease the vertex. But in this case I need full vertex. So moving on, next particles, and here we will increase the particle size maybe 3 and size randomness maybe 56, little bit more or little bit less. We'll also increase or decrease it later, but this is good for now. And you can also change the opacity randomness. Right? Now create a work, but first here let's go to fractal fractal fill, and here will after size, so it will animate like this. Fine. And here it's 5 and opacity random I don't need, so we'll go with the 0. And here is our option called displays, so we'll put 3 and it will display like it's moving. Fine. We will also animate the dolphin position, but for now we will do this and we will animate dolphin position later. Fine. So now create a new solid and call this form base, and this for this dolphin. From form base, and here we'll create one more Trapcode form, and the base form here will change 1 or maybe 3, but first create one and rotate 90-degree x, and here we will change 2000. We can also increase a little bit more if you want. Okay, and here is the you can also increase amount of particles. So x, y. In the particle setting, we will change the particle randomness, opacity, particle size, and in this stretch and twist. So you can twist it. Fine. So we go to once again fracture field, and here increase the amount of this place. So now looking good. Fine. And if you want to create a simple base, so just decrease the amount of twist, so it will look like this. But in this case, I'm go with this look. And now go to the dolphin layer, and here we'll change the position. Fine. So here add a keyframe on center Z and 10 seconds and put down 0. Just add and right click and trim come to work area. Alright, fine. We will create one more, but first create a new light, point light, color maybe blue, blue, here, and create a new solid for this optical layer, or just rename layers. Go to option and here just reset all of this, clear all, add this one and this. Fine. Okay. So hit OK. And in the source type, we will change it track light. So now if we will change the light color, it will automatically change. So we'll go with blue, decrease the amount of intensity. Okay. And in the flare, just press F4 on your keyboard or just toggle switches here and change the mode normal to heavy. And now go with the dolphin layer and in the shading section here we will just enable the shading on, and now here we will change the light A. Okay, so now if we will change our light, our dolphin color will automatically change. So here you can also increase or decrease, and you can also use ambient light if you want. Let me show you, but I don't think so good for this. And we'll go to the form base layer, and here we'll also change the shading on. Now we will change the color of light. All this setting will change. Right? So we'll go with the blue. Okay. And now just duplicate the dolphin layer, and in the base form, here we'll change the size 500, 500 and size is 500. Custom. So you can rotate and see perfectly. So our second dolphin is, so that's good. So fine. So this will play this will well. And you can also increase the speed of this dolphin a little bit faster. Fine. So it's looking good, but this is little bit more. I think we need to put this dolphin little bit up. So we'll go here and put this here. Fine. Now it's looking good. Now add a slide effect, solid black, and here we'll just create a mask and invert it. You can also add a secondary animation, I mean camera animation. So you can normally use a camera and rotate it like this, or you can create a new null object, make it 3D, and parent your camera to the null layer. Then second. Okay. So I think our animation is good. You can also add some other particles. So let's add some more particles. So just duplicate the base layer and in the waist we'll add a little bit more and little bit in the fracture field. Okay. So I'm happy with this result. You can also increase size, but 2 is good. So now add depth of field. So click on the camera and press double press A and the setting will appear and just on the depth of field and just increase the aperture amount. Fine. So here click on the aperture. Maybe I will wrong pronounce. Maybe I will pronunciation wrong. but click on this in 4 seconds. Just put it as focus of distance. Sorry, click a key on focus distance and here to 1200. In 3 seconds, we'll put 1800. In 6 seconds, we'll put 2000. In 8, we'll put maybe 1700. And here we'll put maybe 8. Cool. So now just check our result. Alright, so it's looking good, but I think we need to decrease some vertex from this dolphin. So we'll go to the dolphin second layer and skip vertex or just particles and decrease the size maybe to vertex 5. And now let's add some glow on both dolphin layers. So 603 is good, and the big dolphin add also glow. Maybe 1000 will be good. Just decrease the glow intensity maybe 0.5. So now all good. So just add a color collection, adjustment layer, with the slide layer, and add a cross effect. And the second dolphin layer will just this. And now add a second adjustment layer and add a tint effect. And you can also change the color. This is the black area. Add a cross effect. Fine. And now what we need to add, you can also add a unsharp mask if you want. Let's check this. So the full resolution. So let's check a print. Let's check a preview in full resolution. And here you can also change preview shading. So same rate 30 frames, skip 2 frames, and resolution half. Alright, so Here you can see a problem. Here you can see. So it's happening because we added a fixture field after size. So it will just decrease 0. So it will go. So maybe 2. Fine. So we'll go with 2 and all good. So you can export this, and if you want to use motion blur, you can just enable motion blur on each layer of Trapcode form and just enable this motion blur. But now, for now, it's good and it's okay for me. So the tutorial is completed, but let me show you. And in Trapcode, sorry, in the old example, here you can see. So basically, what I did, I just key on this place, and here I will just put 0, so it will be in our real form. And here I just display all the particles everywhere, so it will look nicer. So thanks for watching the video, thanks for loving me. I am NPS3D and keep watching.